This is a parrot fish and a Shivram in my tank. Parrot fish is hybridized fish made by man, and this is Shivram. Both are chicklet groups. You can keep them together. I have kept them together in a tank, but you can't keep them in a planted tank. You have to keep them together. I kept them. Both are semi-aggressive fish. Tank mates normally don't go with them. See how it's putting up the mud, putting up the substrate, digging up the substrate. It's a beautiful fish, red parrot fish. You can keep it with other chicklets also. Thank you. This is Bhaskar from Kolkata, India. Please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you.